This woman heard strange sounds coming from beneath the woods. When she discovered the truth, she immediately called the police. Marjorie had lived in her secluded house deep in the woods of Colorado for many years, never suspecting that a terrifying secret was hidden beneath the forest floor. One day, after returning home from work and parking her car, she heard a strange noise coming from the woods. Unsure of what was happening, she quickly went back inside, but the noises only grew louder. Concerned, Marjorie stepped outside and listened carefully, realizing the unsettling sounds were coming from deep within the forest. Fear crept over her as she struggled to make sense of it. Feeling desperate, she called her son, and together they began investigating. That's when they stumbled upon a hidden door, an old hatch buried under the forest floor. Despite her growing fear, Marjorie decided to go down and uncover the mystery. But when she finally saw what was lurking beneath the woods, she immediately called the police.